Hey guys, my name is Abni.
And I'm Sophia, and we're here to talk about this year's homecoming.
So what the homecoming week will look like is that Spirit Week will be from Monday to Friday, October 1st and October 5th. And then on Thursday is bonfires from 6 to 8. The homecoming football game will be on Friday at 7 o'clock at ODAC versus Shawnee Mission East. The theme is glitz and glam, so ladies wear your cute outfits and cute dresses, and guys wear your nice clothes. The crowning of homecoming king and queen will be at halftime. And then on Saturday, the dance is from 8 to 11 in the North Gym.
So for our Spirit Week, Monday, October 1st, we'll be getting ready for the glam. Come in your pajamas. Tuesday, Decade Day, this 1950s clothes. Wednesday is Where in the World Are the Eagles, so come in your tourist clothing. Thursday's red carpet, so dress to impress. Friday is You're an Eagle Forever, which means color wars, so freshmen will be red, sophomores blue, juniors white, and seniors red, white, and blue.
So for bonfire, it will be taking place from 6 to 8 at the football practice field. Students must bring their student ID, and it's only for Olathe North students. Students will have free hot dogs, chips, cotton candy, and snow cones. And then activities that are available are music, dunk tank, inflatable obstacle course, and football challenge.
Voting for King and Queen will start Monday, October 1st, and will go until Thursday, October 4th at 3 p.m. They will take place online, so check your school Gmail account with the voting link. There will also be stations set up during Eagle halftime for voting. If you don't know your email or your password, make sure to stop by.
For the homecoming dance, it will be October 6th from 8 to 11, and tickets will be sold in advance for $15, but at the door it is $20. Tickets are also available on the Olathe North website, but there is a $3 service charge to any purchases made by debit or credit card. Non-Olathe North guests must fill out a guest form from the office and return it to the office by Tuesday, October 2nd. School ID is required to get in, or you're not allowed into the dance at all. And then all students must come through the 700 hall doors only.
Ticket sales will start Monday, October 1st, and they will go until Friday, October 5th. They will be sold at the South Commons voting station and the 400-800 intersection voting station. Reminder that if you buy your ticket online, there is a $3 service charge fee for debit credit card purchases.
And then for the dance, you must bring your Olathe North school ID with you to the dance, or you will not be admitted without it. Everyone at the dance must abide by all Olathe School District and Olathe North rules. Everyone at the dance is subject to a breathalyzer test at the discretion of the administration and the SRR. There are no refunds on homecoming tickets. Tickets are $15 each in advance and are $20 at the dance. $3 service charge applies to any debit or credit card purchases made online.
Also, if the student leaves the homecoming dance, they may not re-enter the dance. Any inappropriate sexually suggestive dancing will not be permitted, so you will receive one warning and then be asked to leave. Homecoming is not a pit stop. The only reason for coming to the dance is to go to the dance.
For all guests, all Olathe North students are allowed to bring one guest between the ages of 14 and 20. All out-of-school guests must pick up the guest registration form from the office and return it to the office by 3:30 on Tuesday, October 2nd. There are no exceptions. All out-of-school guests must provide photo identification at the dance, or they will not be allowed into the dance.
In dressing for the dance is semi-formal, meaning no jeans, torn, or ripped clothing, but this does mean slacks, dress shirts, ties, sports coats, and dresses.
And fair warning for all students, there may be black lights, strobe light, and flashing light. This means if you wear white under a thin garment, the white will glow. So everyone please dress appropriately.
Photography. We will have 2 photo booths at the dance. The strips will be printed on spot for you to take home. There will also be fun accessories for you to wear in the photo booth, and there will be a photo backdrop for your own photos.
We hope you guys have a safe and fun homecoming and really enjoy this year's homecoming. Thank you!